The SI124LD is an acoustic imaging camera, and what it does, it uses a signature sound pattern, so it allows you to home in very quickly on any potential leaks.
The camera is built with 124 microphones, and they're arranged in an array which is the optimal pattern to detect leaks at a distance of up to 30 metres.
The SI124 will tell you how much is estimated that leak will cost based on the sound signature and based on its leakage.
There's also an artificial intelligence aspect which helps to predict the severity of the leak.
There's an ability to connect the SI124 into Thermal Studio and combine the reports.
Businesses need to work in a more efficient way. They need to be able to reduce their operating expenses and ultimately reduce their environmental footprint too.
If you can reduce the air leaks on site, you can have a significant cost saving.